Hi everyone, welcome back to Flipped and Fabulous. Today's furniture makeover is a really special one. It's not just another flip, it's a story about love, loss, and bringing new life to something deeply sentimental. My friend Trish inherited this cabinet from her mum, who sadly passed away. It's a piece filled with memories, and she asked me to give it a fresh start while keeping its soul intact. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I transformed this old, well-loved cabinet into something truly beautiful, while honouring its history every step of the way. If you love furniture makeovers, upcycling, sentimental pieces, and the before and after transformations, make sure you stick around because this flip turns out absolutely stunning. Let's dive in. Always, we start with cleaning the piece. Simple Green is a great cleaner and removes all the previous cleaning products, as well as any dirt which could build up. Remember to rinse it off to ensure your paint has a solid surface to adhere to. Removing the old hardware before you start to clean allows you greater access to the front of the drawers. I like to keep the screws as you never know when they will come in handy. Sanding always starts with a coarser sand grit. Here I started with a 40 grit and moved through the grits to 240. This allows for a smoother surface. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is a paint wash. So we're going to be doing the paint wash for the top of the cabinet and also for the drawers, the front of the drawers. By spraying the drawers first with water allows the paint to move more freely and also stops it from drying out. The paint wash is achieved by mixing paint with water. I use a ratio of 1 part paint to 3 parts water. I am using Rust-Oleum's paint and the colour is chalk white. The paint is a super white and gives that driftwood effect in the paint wash. Once the paint has sat on the surface for about 30 seconds, I wipe it off with a lint-free cloth. This removes the excess paint and gives the wood that lovely driftwood effect. To get the desired colour, I allow the paint to dry and add another coat, wait for about 30 seconds and then wipe off again. I covered the top before I started spraying the body of the cabinet. This product is from Brewers and is really great for protecting the areas you don't want paint to get onto. The paint was from Valspar and is called Cinnamon Foam. It has a built-in primer, so I didn't need to prime the body first. I'm using my Wagner sprayer to give the body a great smooth finish. I added water to the paint as per the manufacturer's advice. Given 2 coats, allowing drying time in between. It took about an hour for the paint to dry before I could apply the other coats. And there it is, a complete transformation, but more importantly, a piece that still holds every bit of love and memory it started with. I'm so honoured I got to bring new life to something that means so much to my friend and her family. This flip reminded me that furniture isn't just about wood and paint. Sometimes it's the story behind it that matters most. If you enjoyed this sentimental furniture makeover, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow and lets me keep doing more transformations that mean something. Thanks for watching Flipped and Fabulous, where every piece gets a second chance to shine.